Hi, it's Lynette from Panacea Ranch. And this is going to be red light therapy part 2, okay? Because I didn't have the information when I was in the red light therapy room, and I wanted to show it to you. I was so excited. So, yeah. So I was decided that it was worth an extra $10 a month to get the extra benefits, or whatever you want to call them, at the gym where I work out, because they offer red light therapy, and they have tanning too, but no, I don't do that. And the hydro massage, they have like a recliner type of thing, but then I like the flatbed, and I posted that too, and I'll do a part 2 on that one too, because it's interesting. So I searched for red light therapy benefits, and there's so many things. It's like one is it boosts collagen production for firmer, youthful looking skin. And all of a sudden I got this dry little patch in my throat, sure, because I want to talk. Okay, so it boosts collagen, the red light therapy. And I do it, each session is 12 minutes. And I read that you should start out maybe just a couple of times a week, and then you can go every day or whatever, and don't be in there too long, because it can, I guess burn your skin or something. I don't know. But it's for 12 minutes, so I figure since the gym is setting the limit to 12 minutes, then, that should be the right amount of time to do it. And you can always stop it too, because it does get a little bit warm in there. It doesn't start out warm, and they have ventilation fans up above. I don't think they go really fast, so it's not really a breeze. It's just to ventilate the air, because it can get kind of stuffy in there. Because I showed it to you. You stand in this thing. It looks like a Star Trek thing, and you're completely naked, and it has this wobbling floor thing, and it shakes your fat, really, but I guess it's supposed to like stimulate muscles and stuff, probably some good circulation. Anyway, so boosting collagen, that's the first benefit. And then wound healing, it says wound healing and tissue repair, and the ability of red light therapy to promote wound healing and tissue repair is another significant benefit. Oh, whoop-de-woo, more words. And then it reduces inflammation, so that can help treat a wide variety of conditions that can be not even gonna say those words. Because isn't fibromyalgia and arthritis and a few things, isn't that some type of inflammation, or when you get hurt sometimes you can get inflammation. So I remember when it seemed like every year I would throw my back out, and one of the things that helped a lot was to put an ice pack on it and get that inflammation down for some relief, because that was really painful. And it says it's one of the benefits is it's good for hair growth, for promoting hair growth. I thought they would have more words under these little drop downs. Better circulation. So, and I bet that wobbling helps too. increases circulation and promotes better blood flow, and improving circulation is key to maintaining overall health. I mean, that makes sense, doesn't it? I mean, your blood needs to go, it goes all the way from your heart, you know, all around your body, all the way down to your toes, up your head, everywhere, and back and forth through the heart. And that's why I do the morning shot too, is because if you want to heal, what's a better way to heal than to heal your blood? But remember, I'm not a doctor. I just believe in these things. I hear about healing. I learn about healing. I've been looking into healing here and there, you know, kind of studying natural healing since the 90s. And I found some things that have worked for me and for others, you know. So yeah, so let's heal our blood, and then maybe it can help heal the rest of our body. Facial texture, whether you want to reduce wrinkles, improve texture, or enhance your overall glow, this treatment can be a valuable addition to your skincare regimen. So, and you know, I heard that it might help with sunspots and stuff. And I don't know if it'll help with liver spots. Maybe if I heal my liver, maybe some of the liver spots on my arms will fade away. Because I don't want to bleach them off. I want to do it naturally and non-toxic if I can. Otherwise, just leave it alone. So let's see. Sorry. Wrinkles. So yeah, it improves wrinkles by boosting collagen. That was like one of the first things. I think that also helps when you have good circulation too. That helps your skin. Acne. It reduces acne and improves skin texture clarity. Enhanced muscle recovery. So athletes and fitness enthusiasts can use this to, you know, you have to have muscle recovery after working out or running or running's working out, whatever. You know, then again, it says skincare, improves skin health and appearance. Pain management. Pain management helps you regulate pain with your medications, procedures, exercises, and therapy, you know. And make sure you ask your doctor, you know, if red light therapy is okay. When I tell you to ask your doctor if these things will harm you, that's what I mean, is ask him if it'll harm you. I'm not asking you to ask him if they believe they will help you, because some doctors believe things like this can help you and some doctors don't. So, and whatever you want to go with is fine, you know. Reducing inflammation again. Where are we at here? Anti-aging, which of course that just falls under all that other stuff. Cognitive function. What? Enhances cognitive function and brain health benefits. That should help my lion's mane do a better job. I love lion's mane, and I've taken it for memory and for cognitive too, you know. And I noticed right away when I was taking it, and anybody that I suggest lion's mane to, they take it and they're just like, wow. I mean, it's not like, to me, it wasn't a huge difference, but I noticed right away that, because, you know, you always forget, like, what did I come in this room for? What was I doing? What was I going to do? What was I going to say? What's that guy's name? Yeah. So, but I noticed, like, I'll be like, oh man, and it like I can get to the answer quicker. It helps. Lion's mane is wonderful for the brain. And you should watch Fantastic Fungi, or Fungi, however you want to pronounce it, on, it was on Netflix, I don't know if it still is, and I think you can see it on YouTube too. But it's a wonderful documentary about mushrooms and what the different ones are good for, what ones to stay away from and everything. And it shows them growing and everything. They're just a lot of them are really beautiful. And so it helps with immune system support. The red light therapy helps with your immune system. I love it, yes. Build that immune system. Be resilient to everything you can. Because life's funner when you don't have to worry about stuff. Mental health benefits, that's awesome too. Yeah, so maybe that can help. Oh yeah, it says help particularly reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. Well, there you go. Isn't that great? Because I know so many people that suffer from anxiety and depression, and because it just seems to be very common these days, very common. And it's supposed to help with weight loss, supports weight loss and reduces body fat. For those looking to manage their weight, red light therapy can be a helpful addition to their routine. Improves sleep quality. Yay, better than taking melatonin. Because when you take melatonin all the time, then your brain says, oh, I don't have to make melatonin anymore. It's given to me. Just like, the eye drops, can be addicting too. Oh, you're going to keep putting eye drops in my eyes to wet them? Okay, then that part of my eye won't work. Different things like that. So yeah, it helps improve your sleep quality. Reduces psoriasis. Very nice. Regenerate tissue. Yeah. It enhances cell growth. And yeah. And it says a bunch of stuff that we've already talked about. Stretch marks. Scars and stretch marks can be challenging to deal with, but red light therapy offers an effective way to minimize their appearance. Well, maybe so they won't go away, but anything is possible. And if you believe it, it can happen. And remember, you can also talk to your cells too. I talk to my cells when I've been going in the red light therapy. I've been talking to my cells. I hope they listen. And then it just says just more of the other stuff. But isn't that cool? Yeah, red light therapy. Try it out. I think you can go to Planet Fitness and ask them if you can try it before you decide to sign up for it. So yeah, go check it out, okay? Have a great day. See ya.